Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and on this channel I help business owners and fellow freelance bookkeepers navigate the ever-changing QuickBooks Online, while also sharing insightful videos on all things business ownership and finance. As always, this is a sample company provided by QuickBooks for educational purposes only. This is the fellow home bookkeeper view of QuickBooks Online. For the business owner view, make sure to check out my QuickBooks Online tutorials for business owners playlist to get a better view of what QuickBooks Online will look like for you. In today's video, I am showing you how to export your data from QuickBooks Online. In another video, I showed you how to manually import your bank data, and now I'm showing you how to export data. First things first, head over to the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. Under Tools, select Export Data. This will prompt a window asking you why you wish to export. Some companies will export data every year and save the information digitally on an external hard drive or upload it into a server. I recommend saving to an external hard drive and storing it securely with that year's completed tax filings. When you're ready, select the option that fits you best. For the sake of this example, I'm going to select Backup. Now you are in the Export Reports screen. Here you can filter data by date and select which reports you wish to export. Keep all selected or only export a few. It's up to you depending on your needs. You can see the basic reports like the general ledger, the P&L, the balance sheet, or the income statement are already selected along with the trial balance and the journal. You can also include lists in your export like customers, employees, vendors, etc. This is helpful if you are planning on leaving the QuickBooks Online program or outsourcing your payroll to a corporate payroll servicer like ADP or Paychex. If you are looking to outsource payroll, feel free to check out my firm, EDJ Consulting Group. Once you have your customizations, you can click the green Export to Excel button. The zip file will download to your computer and all of your files will be there. And that's how you export data. For more business resources, my online self-paced home bookkeeper masterclass, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com/resources, linked in the description box below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And for even more behind the scenes content of life as a home bookkeeper, feel free to follow me on Instagram @EmmaDawn and connect with me on LinkedIn. And if you need more assistance, personal financial coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.